Okay, now we're going to get ready for, and we're going to prep for a Restylane injection. Restylane is a hyaluronic acid filler that we can inject anywhere from the nasolabial folds, the lips, or even around the eyes or temple. One thing that we do that's unique here at Raval Facial Aesthetics is we mix it on patient request, as well as in certain areas of the face, such as the eyes. We like to mix our Restylane with a numbing agent with epinephrine in it, which really helps with the pain as well as the bruising in the injection. By adding more liquid to the filler, it also leads to a smoother injection with a lower chance of lumpiness. So what we do is the Restylane comes in a 1 cc or 1 milliliter syringe, and we take 1 cc or 1 milliliter of lidocaine with epinephrine, and we have this little exchanger here, and we just place it all together in one syringe. Add an empty syringe here, and just go back and forth and mix the two products together. So we're mixing the Restylane and the lidocaine together, just going back and forth a few times. And again, what's this doing is, one, thinning out the filler, which leads to a thinner, smoother injection, and by mixing it with the numbing agent plus the epinephrine, it's a more comfortable experience for the patient, as well as the epinephrine, which squeezes down blood vessels, leads to a lower incidence of bruising. Once it's completely mixed, we actually transfer it back to the original syringe. It's much easier to inject through the original syringe. And then we place a 30 gauge needle, and we're ready to go. One of the newer areas that we're injecting into the face is the lower eyes. We used to address this area only with surgery, but we found that as we age, we develop a groove in this area and a groove in this area that tends to respond very nicely to a filling agent. So that's what we're going to do. You can see over here, there's a pretty deep dark circle groove that we're going to treat with a little bit of Restylane. So we start off at the lower end. Just a little poke here. And we just gently add a little bit of filler. Once we put a little bit of it in, just kind of massage it in there. And hold pressure. Once this area gets corrected, a lot of times you'll get a flatness along the anterior cheek area, which is another area that we've been injecting a lot. So we're going to go ahead and do that. We're going to kind of fill this area out. Oftentimes when we inject the lower eyes, we kind of do it in combination with a cheek injection as well, to kind of give a nice curve along the cheek area. We also get the groove along the outer part of the eyelid.